Welcome everyone to this live session where I'll be talking about what it takes to make it big in the IT industry. So before I talk about what all things is there in the store, let me take this opportunity to quickly introduce myself. So hello everyone, I am Vishwa Mohan and I bring with me close to around 10 plus years of experience working in this IT industry. Fortunately, after passing out from IIT BHU, I have been part of almost all the big pillars of this IT ecosystem. I've worked for companies like Oracle, PayPal, Walmart, and I currently work for LinkedIn. So, as a part of this whole experience, after taking so many interviews, mentoring hundreds of the students, and also, taking the interviews of these people, I have kind of formulated a formula which anybody can follow in a systematic way to crack any good company or make it big in this IT industry. So, if you're a fresher, or if you're someone who's working in a service-based company, or if you're already in a medium-scale product-based company and want to make it big in this own organization or any outside it, this is the live session for you. So if you guys are equally excited as I am, please find the link below in the description, paste that into your browser, and also you'll find a code in the description which you can use to access this live session free. So hope to see you guys in the live session. Thank you.